Hello guys, let's talk about exception handling in C#. A try block is used by C# programmers to partition code that might be affected by an exception. Associated catch blocks are used to handle any resulting exceptions. Let's see what this means on a practical example. So here I have defined the public static method which returns void and is called operation, and inside all it does is throwing new exception with a message an error occurred. Inside the main method I define the try catch block. So inside the try block I am putting in the operation method invocation, and inside the catch method I can catch any exception that occurs inside this operation, inside this try block, and then handle it by writing this exception into the console window. Let's see how it works. So I can see that this operation method has thrown an exception with a message an error occurred inside this try block, and inside the catch block I have used the console write line to write this exception into the console window. We see the system.exception, so the type of exception, a message, an error occurred, and a call stack, so program.main and then program.operation. So inside the main method I have invoked the operation method, and inside the operation method the error occurred. We also have the finally block. The finally block of code is run after the try block of code has finished and the catch block of code has finished, no matter if there was an exception or not. So let's see how it works. I'm running the application and I see that the error has occurred. It is written into the console window, and then the finally block of code is being invoked. So I am using console write line to write the finally string into the console window. But let's see what happens if there is no exception. The operation now will run correctly and there will be no exception, but the finally block of code is still being invoked. So it is being this block of code is being run no matter if there is exception or not. I hope that this quick introduction to error handling in C# has helped you to understand how to catch errors, and I hope to see you soon.